64 days from zero to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge. And in this challenge, I will be making tutorial videos on WordPress and how you can use WordPress to build your sites and how you can use every available tools on WordPress. So today is the first day and I'll be making a video about WordPress plugins. So the first thing that you need to know after you've installed your WordPress on your domain is, what is a plugin? A plugin, you can consider a plugin as an app on your mobile phone. So let's say, for example, the YouTube app on your mobile phone. What does YouTube app does for you on your phone? It helps you to watch other people's videos on YouTube. The same thing goes for plugins on sites. Plugins can be used to create something that you can integrate to your website. So now, for example, maybe I want to build a form on my website where people can reach out to me, probably maybe about a product or maybe a problem that they are encountering on my website. Now, if I want to build a form like that, I can either use WP Form plugin or I can use Formidable Form plugin. This plugin will enable me to build the form, and once I'm done building the form, I can then integrate it to the website, and then the end user can easily sign up and the details of the form will be sent to me. So this is what plugin means on a website. Plugin is just a tool that helps you to build wherever you can imagine in your head. It helps you to build it and then helps you to integrate it to your website. So you can either install a plugin or you can upload a plugin to your WordPress. Now, to install these things, there are two different things, and you need to understand that. To install a plugin, that means the plugin has to be on the WordPress. Let's practicalize a little bit. Now, once you're on your WordPress, all you have to do is come to plugin and then click on it, and then it will bring up this page and you can click on add plugin. So once you click on add plugin, you can search whatever plugin that you want to install. Let's say, for example, I want to install Elementor. So this is an Elementor plugin. Elementor plugin helps me to build my website through a drag and drop page builder. That is what Elementor does. Now all I have to do is click on install, and it will install on the WordPress. And once it's installed, I can activate it and I can make use of it. All right, so let's activate and see. So now you can see that the plugin is activated. All I have to do is set up an account, or I can skip the setup and start using the Elementor on my WordPress site. Let's take a moment to do this, please. And as you can see, Elementor is loading up. Now another thing that you can do is that you can upload a plugin. Probably maybe the plugin you want to use is not on WordPress. You can't find it on WordPress. All you have to do is come to plugin, and you can find it somewhere else. Maybe you bought it or you paid for it or something. So they already gave you the zip file. All you have to do is come here, add plugin, and then come to upload plugin. Now you choose the plugin that you want to upload from here. You choose from file, and then it opens up, and then you can see I have Elementor Pro here, so I can decide to upload it. Once I've uploaded it, I can install it. It's gonna take a moment, and once I'm done uploading it, I can activate it. And once I activate the plugin, I can easily make use of the plugin. So installing and uploading plugin is as easy as that. As you can see, Elementor is now on my dashboard, so I can easily make use of it from my dashboard. So uploading and installing plugins is as simple as that, but when you do it wrongly, it becomes a major problem. It can even cause a crash of the site that you're trying to build if you don't know what you are doing. So there are plugins that are compatible with the version of the WordPress that you are using. You have to be very mindful of that. Let's take for example now, I want to install another plugin. As you can see now, this minimal coming soon page plugin is compatible with the version of the WordPress that I'm using. You have to always check if the plugin that you want to install is compatible with the version of the WordPress that you are using. If it's not compatible, then you might have a very big problem. If you go ahead and install it, you might have a very serious problem. So always check for compatibility of the plugin with the WordPress version that you are using. So for example, now you can see this one says untested with the version of WordPress. Untested with your version of WordPress. That means it is untested with this version of WordPress. You can't install a plugin like this. If you should install it, you might have a big problem. And you will see some that will say uncompatible. So then you know that okay, this plugin is not compatible with the version of WordPress that I'm using. So it's as simple as that. All you have to do is to be mindful of the kind of plugin that you install, and there are different and various type of plugins that you can use for various tasks. So that is that about plugin. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and turn up the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Please like and drop a comment. Thank you. See you on the next one. Goodbye.